sea robin. You ever saw sea robin before? Good bait.
Good bait.
Not bad eating. Okay.
Hey,
Look at it, guys.
Pull back.
Hear the noise?
You got a nice fish here, buddy. Yes, you do.
Right.
Real.
Way to go, George. Sea robin. Right.
Don't judge.
Oh, don't lose him.
You're supposed to go faster.
Well,
Once it's on, it's on.
yeah. Josh is falling. An appetizer. I'll take the chicken fingers. Come on, Josh.
Come on, buddy.
Fight him, fight him.
Real good.
Alright, you'll know. You'll start fighting.
Come on, pretend there's an Xbox in that thing.
Yeah, oh yeah. Just keep going. You're doing real good.
Do I have anything?
Big
Oh,
skate.
a skate.
Mariah here.
What's on it?
Jordy, you gotta see this thing. It's like a, it looks like a stingray.
It is a stingray. Isn't it?
That thing get you on the, can that sting you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right in the sink there is red handle bladder.
Yep.
We're having stingray for dinner?
Yeah. No, you're not keeping that thing.
Why?
Put it in your aquarium.
It's like the pigeon of the sea.
It came off.
Yeah, that's a nice bass. Is that big enough?
It should be.
Yeah. Dude, that's a good looking bass. Go, Ben!
Let me measure him just to make sure.
Sorry, I'm gonna move it in a second. I'm just trying to get the video of these guys.
Yes!
Oh yeah, he's 13.
Oh, another bass. That's another nice one.
Alright, that's it, Ben. That's it.
Keep him in the water. Keep him in the water.
Alright, that's it.
Nice job.
Good fish, bud.
All right. What do you guys say, Ben? What do you think? This is video. You can talk.
Oh, okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
That's a keeper.
All right. Good job.
All right. That's the keeper.
Oh yeah, Jordy.
What do you
Look at
got?
that. You got a big flounder.
About 24 incher.
24. Nice job, Jordan.
Nice fish.
There you go, man. All right. Nice fish, George. Got it.